What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see, y'all know we finna fool with the Donk. We finna fool with the Donk. I'm just finna kind of do a little general check over. Cause I went to the parts though and started trying to get stuff for the brakes and all this stuff, and turn out this old Donk, man, come with 2-3, man, bird done took me out the game, boy. Oh, Donk done come with 2-3 different rigs in it, man. So I'm gonna jack it up and spin the tires over, knock it out again, stuff, see what I can hear. That side squeaking and all of that. So I'm gonna do that. Check the U-joints, all the good stuff. But I bought U-joints anyway, cause talk to Herb, man. He gonna be coming over here touching this one, Mustang, wifey car, Emma, all of that, man. So you know, and I really need to switch some stuff around, cause I've been wanting to drive R&B way up there. So I got all these cars, man, get rough and rougher, call you. Depending on the day and how you feeling, you want to drive one, then you have to move them around and stuff. But then meats, I ain't trying to move meats, cause I gotta go to Lawless. Cause let me show y'all what I got going on. And the clamps. Like I'm talking to Jesse, he thinks something snagged it, but I can't see it, man. I mean, I just went under there. It ain't low enough to snag nothing, eh? So this what I got going on. See, it bent right there. It slipped out, and the other one did the same thing at the track. Did it at the track yesterday, and then not yesterday, a couple days ago, and then it did on the ride rack. So this joke here sound like a pro mod. But I got to get that back to him. But they won't be till 2 days from now, because I got to go get the clamps. So I'm go get the clamps tomorrow, take a trip to Summit, and I got some parts coming and stuff anyway. But I'm finna rinse this Donk off, and then I'm gonna pull it up. Man, right here, so I can jack it up and all that good stuff. All right, got the Donk pull right here. I got it jacked up already. Had sprayed the joke off. That paint don't look that bad to be painted as long as it been painted. It really don't. It do not look that bad. But I was thinking I might need to check the tires too. The back tires, that could be part of my problem. Well, not that one. That one all don't got tread on them except that one. The boy must have been lighting that joker up. So they let me know they ran probably 1 tie 5. But y'all know me. I'm gonna hook that up. It should be an 8.5 in this thing. So what I'm about to do, we about to set. It's supposed to be the problem side on the brakes. So I'm gonna set y'all down. I need to get some studs too. I just thought about a new stud. Let me see. Let's check this out. And I need a cable, a hood cable. You got a hood cable, hood release cable for a 73? Let me know. Or I might can find one. At the time I'm asking for y'all, I ain't even looked online, so if they happen to have one, let me know. I might still buy it, even if I be done found one by now. By the time y'all see it, I mean. I tell y'all what, this joker runs so good. I'm gonna ride it for a minute. The car runs so good. Come out here this morning, the engine runs so good. Yeah, it's bad. Cause it's wheel cylinder. Wheel cylinder grease. That wheel cylinder probably shot to here. Yes. Yep. Yeah, hit enough. Brakes, we got this stuff. I just need to make sure I get the right side drawn. So now we're gonna set this down. I'm gonna set this down. And then I'm gonna go, we're gonna jack this side up. I know I got the skirts. Look at that, paint don't look bad on that thing, man. For that car to be painted as long as it is, that paint don't look bad on it. The car could actually, look at that, you see it? Deep, boy, it don't look good when it clean. It gonna look, this car look good far away, you can't see the imperfection. It look good on camera too. But it's just like meats. Meats look good camera, but this right here, this a car, I'm put it like this. Back in the day, when I was younger, and we weren't trying to do all this fancy stuff, man, this one of the car I would have bought and mounted up. And don't be surprised if y'all see rims on the car like it is right now before I even get finished completely with it. Cause y'all know me, I'm all about enjoying the cars. Enjoying them through every process, every stage. So don't be surprised, man, y'all see me mounting this joker up. Because I am going to go ahead and do the coilovers, get suspension ready. So don't be surprised you see it mounted up just like this. Like I ride Dolo. If I ride Dolo on rims and meats, and y'all know they rougher than this, y'all got to know. See, let me see. Like we made some bumper filler right there. It cracked. Then you can see. Well, it's hard for y'all to see, but it little spot. But this car, man, this car solid. I just looked on there. Oh, it chipped right there. It little stuff like that you won't see on camera. But you seeing this nag going up the highway, you'll be like, woo! It'll make you turn your head. Man, that boy, Boonell sold me a good car, boy. God, my, that joker ain't got a lick of rust on it either. I'm telling you for real. The floor's perfect. The gas tank perfect. I ain't got a lick of nothing in it. Now, this is a good foundation, boy. I can't wait. But I'm gonna zip that. We're gonna zip that tire right quick, man. Look at that brake drum. See what we got. All right, we got this thing jacked up. See what we're working with on the brake drum. Get some new lugs. I'm gonna get new lugs. I would like to do that. Oh yes, oh, that right there one good. Wait, that was wobbling. 3/4. Some on 13/16. Some on 3/4. I think all of them might be. Let's see. Yeah, 3/4. My bad, y'all. But we're gonna change these anyway. I'm gonna when I put the Moser axles in here, I'm gonna put them y'all know I'm putting them half-inch 20 guys in there. Well, I ordered them when I ordered the axles. I'm trying to get by. Without taking it off. I'm trying to. Let me see if I can ease it out. I ain't gonna be able to. I ain't gonna be able to. Gonna have to take the skirts off. Take the skirts off to get some rust right there. Yeah, some patch of rust right here though. I see that. That right there gonna have to be this. Let's see. Got to release. There we go. There we go. Skirt removal 101. Don't let Jay show you how to do it. Cause I ain't never done it. Let's see. Tilt out. I need to do this stuff anyway, so I know how to do it. There we go. Yeah, I need to do this anyway. Then you lock this nab back in play right there. Boop, bing. Okay. Yeah. So skirt removal 101. Don't let Jay tell you how to do it. Y'all see, I like that. Man, look at these drawing, man. Take a picture on. Yeah, these ain't. It's over here got factory everything on it, boy. What is these? Flowmaster, small pipes, heavy duty springs. Yeah, I'm finna take everything out. I'm finna take everything out while I'm right here. I can see the red in. 8.5, of course. Look like 26, 28 spline axle tubes. So this ain't that big, boy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. Cause I have to probably run 28 spline axles the best I can go with, basically like a 7.5. Cause I can look at the axle tube. I done dealt with 8.5 so much. I can look at the axle tubes and tell. Cause they make two different 8.5. They make the one like I got in Dolo, which is a 30 spline 8.5. And this is a 28 spline. Old school air shocks on here. And these are, they so rusted. I'm gonna take a picture of the normal. We can make sure we get the right part normal. Cause see, that's the thing about these 8.5. Now these got bigger brakes. They look like 11-inch, which I can measure, but I'm pretty positive they're 11-inch brakes. It's just that the drum is shallow. It's a shallow drum. So let me see, there it is right there. Oh, hold on. Might be 12s. See what they say, it's a little rusty. And if you need to know, it have it on the drawing, the information. Now they're 11s. So 11-inch drum, I'll bring y'all closer to so y'all can see the difference. Let's see. I'm just recording, trying to get these numbers first. Try to get all the numbers off here. But I record so y'all can see the difference. Let me show y'all. Show y'all what I'm talking about. So, see these drums here? And these cars big, so they have bigger brakes, of course. The box Chevys, the sedans and stuff have the 9.5-inch brakes. So the brake drum is a lot smaller. But you see the depth, see how the thickness. So this 11-inch brake drum, and it's big, 11 inches in diameter, but the thickness is a lot slimmer than like the brake drums on Dolo. Cause the Dolo was a police package car, and they have much bigger brake, bigger drums, everything. So the drum on Dolo is about that thick, that much thicker than this right here. So, you know, I know what to get with the drum, cause they have to order these right here. So we're good on that. I got the number, cause I got the brakes. I have the brakes in there already. I have the U-joints. The U-joints are U-joints. I can use regular factory ones right now. Since I'm not making no power, so stock U-joints to get by. We have the front pads. I don't get the front pads. Got to muddy. I meant to get the front rotors, man. I need to call and tell them to order the front rotors. That's what it was. I knew it was something. Front rotors for this and front rotors for wife's car. So I need to get on the phone, call, tell them to order that, so they'll be here tomorrow, man. So let me handle that right quick. I'm gonna get this put back on. Like I said, we just checking over everything, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. So checking in that day, y'all see, got everything checked out. So now gonna be time to make the moves on everything and get it straightened out and all of that, man. Y'all know, just make sure everything is everything. So we know I gotta get a tire. We're gonna get the U-joints. We're gonna knock the U-joints out, and what else? The brakes, the back brakes. So they're gonna be the first thing we go ahead and attack, man. Get a handle on and all of that. And you know, we're just gonna keep it rolling. Get the stuff, get it driving good first. Driving, handling, riding smooth. And then we're gonna bounce to the next thing. So that's my plan, to get on them brakes and get the U-joints, of course, so I can start driving it. See, it ain't got all that drivetrain vibration. It didn't need the U-joints, as y'all heard, and all that. And then, you know, man, we just gonna go from there. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna just chip away at it a little at a time. And I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.